Hi everyone, welcome to the AWS series. This is the part 4 of the AWS series. In this video, I am going to explain you about the AWS Lambda. So this is my AWS console and here you can search just Lambda. Okay. Okay. So here I am going to create a AWS Lambda function. So before creating, just I tell you that AWS Lambda function is just block of code which is used to execute some operation for your application. So let me create a simple AWS Lambda functions. Let's say demo function. Okay. We can use any environment like Node.js, Python, Java, .NET, Ruby based on our requirement. So for demo purpose, I'm using here Python runtime environment and yeah, just create function. It is very easy. Okay, it takes few seconds to create the lambda functions. So yeah, content is creating. Yeah, so our lambda function has been created. Here you can see this is the demo functions. Okay, these are the various attributes of this demo function. Like here you can see the code for lambda functions. Yeah, so this is simple a function where it is returning some dummy code, hello from lambda. Okay, and now let test our lambda function. So here go to the second tab, test, click test, and once you execute it you will see the result. This is the hello from lambda, means you can change your code based on your requirement. Let's say let me change demo for AWS Lambda function. Once you make the change, okay, you will need to deploy this change. Okay, so now deploy is successfully, and now you can test again. Oh, sorry, deploy is it in progress? So once it is deployed, you will be able to test this Lambda and you will see the new response. It is taking few seconds because I am using the free tier account. So, but if you are using the paid account, it will create Lambda function for you very quickly. So now you can see my Lambda changes has been done. Now I'm going to test this Lambda. I can go from here, or the best way is from here. Like say, let me demo functions, test. Here you can create an event and test. Yeah. Yes. Here you can see this is the demo for Lambda function. This is the change which we have done. So this is the one way where you can add your code. Okay. You can also add some code like you need to connect your application with database. You want to perform some operation on database like DynamoDB. So you can add all the code inside this Lambda functions. So I am also going to add some trigger on it. So you can also see that we can call a lambda functions on various triggers. Okay, so here you can add a trigger. So in our case, let me create a simple trigger, that is API gateway. So once our API gateway call, that this lambda will be execute. So I'm going to create a new API which will be the HTTP API security. That is fine for now. I'm going to open and add. Yeah, so now new trigger has been added, that is a API gateway. You can copy this API gateway address and paste here. You will see that it calls internally a Lambda function, and this is the output for the Lambda function. So that's all for this video. Thank you. Please like, subscribe, and comment on this video.